we don't get a lot of rain. I mean, that desert wasteland is about a block away from my house. Even when it does rain, it's rare that it lasts for more than an hour. It's amazing how something as simple as water brings this full spectrum of opportunity that wasn't possible even minutes before. It's humbling to see just how quickly life can change. It's so crucial to see your potential and the ways that it aligns with your dreams and aspirations. There's a reason why passion and inspiration arrive in very specific times in our lives. Those are the times when the rain comes and we're able to see very clearly what we're capable of doing. But that's just it. Having a clear vision means absolutely nothing without a willingness to act. This rain won't be here tomorrow, which means it's up to me to seize the moment and take advantage of the opportunities that have been given to me right now. By addressing and becoming aware of the gifts and the blessings that have come to our lives in this very specific point in time, we draw one step closer to being able to use them for incredible purposes. This rain isn't going to last forever, but it'll last long enough for us to change the world.